Figure represents a graph of kinetic energy K of photoelectrons in electron volt and frequency nu for a metal used as a cathode in photoelectric experiment. Work function of the metal is. So, if you see the graph now, this is kinetic energy K and this is where they just get emitted out. This is frequency nu. This is nu means frequency. Okay, so this is, the plot is not given, but it intercepts here at -2. This is -1, this is -3, and this is 0, 1, 2, 3, and it goes on. Okay, now kinetic energy is 0 when it just gets emitted out of the surface. Just gets emitted out of the surface. So, kinetic energy is incident energy minus work function. Work function is a constant. So, kinetic energy is proportional to the incident energy. However, you require the stopping potential. You require the work function of the metal. You require work function of the metal. So, that is a constant. So, more the incident energy, more is the kinetic energy. Just to get it emitted out of the surface, for a kinetic energy, these are the points. Okay. Now, coming back to the equation, kinetic energy is h nu minus phi. For kinetic energy to be 0, nu should be nu naught. Nu should be equal to nu naught. Means what does it mean? When the kinetic energy is 0 means electron is just emitted out of the surface. That means the frequency is the minimum frequency that will enable the electron just to come out of the surface. So, when that happens, see here, when kinetic energy is 0, frequency is nu naught. Then it is h nu naught minus phi. When it is h nu naught, or then h nu naught is phi, as you can see. So, this intercept here is 2. So, 2 electron volt is the work function. Work function is a intercept on kinetic energy versus frequency graph. This is how the calculation goes. Okay. So, as you can see, the intercept, it has got a constant slope. Intercept is -2, that is a work function, because as it comes here, the frequency corresponds to the energy 2 electron volt from here. So, that is how we take the work function to be 2 electron volt, which is option C.